Hawakan mo. Join mo. Fluffy. This is the dates cake. Ito yung final
Destination.
This is the final.
Okay.
Ano?
Final touch. This is final.
This is the final.
Wala na akong isip.
Ano pala yung sinabi mo sa kahapon?
Final.
Tama.
Final sa final.
This is the mini.
Mini cupcake.
This is the gold.
Big.
And this is Jimmy Santos. What is the difference between small, mini cake and cupcake and cake?